Here's an interesting Cadillac. Popular year also. Made this body style, what, 2 years, 57 and 58? This one is a 1958 Cadillac Series 62 Sedan DeVille. Of course, four-door hardtop. Elegant looking car, riding on wide white wall radials. Underneath the hood, powered by a 6-liter, 365 cubic inch V8 to move this one around. Of course, a popular body style designed by Harley Earl. If you want to check out the still pictures of this so you can see what I'm talking about in the video and take your time looking through it, go right ahead. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link that's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Nicely loaded Cadillac, of course. Power steering, power brakes, also underneath the hood. This is a factory AC car. AC does blow cold. And we'll pop this hood started up a little later in the video so you can hear it run also. Car has had a repaint to red. Interior appears to be very original. It would have been taupe black Sierra cloth and taupe metallic leather, and we're going to get around to check that out here shortly. Let's come up on the bright work so you can take a look at this. There's a few polishing marks and some fine marks in it, but overall still showable. Bright work up and down the side of this car around the headlights, emblems. Get a good idea how that looks. A few touch-ups here and there in the paint, but again, very showable. Don't be afraid to get in this one and drive it. You can see the car is straight also. The length of this, pretty easy to start seeing if it's had a bunch of work done to it or not, but as you can see up and down the side of it there, and bright work along the rear here also. Now again, I mentioned that taupe metallic leather and then the black Sierra cloth, so it appears that a lot of this interior is original. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You gotta love the wings in the 58. Take a look where the exhaust exit down here. Again, you can kind of see some light scratching in the chrome, but again, still showable. Good one to take out and drive in your local cruise-ins or your local shows. Again, you come to the back here, and now you can see where I'm talking about. That extended deck, again, was on the Series 62 Sedan DeVille. And that's how this car decodes too. If you were to look at the style number in this car, it's going to tell you 39 EDX. That EDX actually gives it away. The E is for the extended deck, the D is for the Sedan DeVille, and then this does have the electronic or electric lift windows, they called it, so it would have power windows. Again, look up and down the driver's side of this also. You take a look and see what you think as far as how straight this car is. Sedan DeVille logo here. And you can see there is a nice reflection coming off the car, the showroom behind me. Alright, let's take a look at the interior of this a little closer now. Again, you can see door panels. They appear to be factory. Again, we have that Sierra black and taupe cloth. Taupe metallic leather. What a beauty. Imagine Dad driving home in one of these in 1958, pulling into your driveway. Alright, let's fire it up so you can hear it run. Take a look at the chrome on the inside of this. Of course, your power windows over here, which do work. Wipers, I've had those going. Those do work. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, there's your AC vents. Dome light works. I did also have the radio working. We're going to turn it on, let it warm up. Radio will come on. Here's your AC temp control. All the way over to cold. Put the AC over to high. You can hear the fans kick in. Radio came on. And again, it does blow cold. There's your radio working. How cool is that? And again, wipers, horn, that all worked. Let's take a look at the headliner. They got even chrome crossbows up in the headliner. What a beauty. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Smooth running Cadillac, just like you'd expect. Again, 365 cubic inches, 6 liter. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this. So this size of hood's going to take me both hands to get the baby open. So hang on a second. All right, you can see factory AC. Still has the test stamp on it. Has been converted here. You can see from the R12 to more modern 134. This is the lever. Pulls back when you initiate the AC. Like I said, that does blow cold. Power steering, power brakes, also both functioning. You can see smooth running engine. And again, that is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Wow. 1958 Cadillac Series 62 Sedan DeVille. Beautiful looking 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.